The weather isn't too bad outside today. It's about 9 degrees. It's rainy, and then we're supposed to get like 30 centimeters of snow tomorrow. So I'm gonna take this one chance to get the body outside so I can pressure wash it, because as you can see, it is filthy. Once I get it cleaned off, I can actually bring it inside and start doing some plastic welding to repair the body, some of the mounts and stuff like that. Let's just get started. I'm gonna take it outside and pressure wash it. I got the plastic all power wash. It's looking way better than it did. It's as good as it's gonna get, but it's workable. As you can see, stuff like this I'm gonna have to fix, but I gotta get the bolts off first. I'll get the bolts off, get everything separated, and then we'll just go from there. Got it all stripped down. It was a bit of a struggle. I will not be reusing the bolts that were on it because most of them stripped. I'll buy new ones for that. And as you can clearly tell, this was just spray painted. It was just spray painted. They did an extremely poor job of it. I think that's body filler to fix that crack. On this side, I can't actually see it crack on the underside, so I'll just sand that smooth eventually. But yeah, so they just took a shaker can to it, which is fine for painting, but I mean, zero to no effort. Zero to no effort. That's fine. Get to that at some point. But now it's time to start welding and fixing the plastic, which I'm nervous about, excited about, should be fine. It's not the first time I've done it, so we'll see what happens. I've got it all notched out. So I got these pieces, which I will weld into place, and I will show you what I'm using to do that. I have my wife's wood burner plugged in. It's just heating up. I have a few tiny strips of plastic. Just get it all tacked into place. It's going nice and slow. I finished up the footrests, even got a little bit indulgent and painted them. I was a little impatient, so I painted them. Different video. However, the footrests are done, but now I need to tackle that mount that matches that guy. So I got to do that guy right now. Different method this time. I'm going to try the super glue and baking soda method. I've never tried it, but it seems promising. So let's get into it. All right, I got my crazy glue, got my baking soda. I'm going to just tack it in place first with that, and then I'll add the baking soda. You guys have all seen this method on the TikTok, the YouTube, all of those places, Instagram probably. So I'm just going to put the baking soda on, drip the super glue onto it, and hope that that creates a strong enough weld. We'll see. Not going to film it. I want to be pretty careful with this, but I will show you the results. And if it didn't work, I'll let you know that too. Just going to do a little section at a time. It's got a little straw that I've created into a little scoop, just so I don't overdo it. Not gonna lie, that works extremely well. Give you a little bit of a close-up. I do apologize for the lighting, but so I've got the weld going around on all three sides. I will do the inside part as well, just for some extra stability. Then I'm gonna fix this end, which I showed you before. We'll fix that, and that basically does it for fixing the plastic. Then after that, wiring and painting this thing. I'm not sure what order I'll go in. It depends on parts. But let me finish this up. Let me just finish it up. I don't want to drag this video on. Because that's actually working so well, I'm going to use it to fix these two holes. So I'll just put tape on this side and fill it from the back side. That way I can sand it out as smooth as possible. And we should be in business to actually start getting ready for painting everything. Also, side note, don't be like me, please use gloves. That is nuts. I did not expect it to work that well, but it's everywhere. I 100% recommend using that method. I swear I'm never molding plastics together again any other way. Baking soda, super glue is where it's at. So now that I have that done, I'm just gonna kind of sand it up. The body work will be in another video, but I gotta start getting on the electrical because the new starter switch has arrived. So I'm on to that, different video. Like, subscribe, we'll see you in the next one.